You're not steering anymore? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You have to dart. You have to run. Here, now he's coming. You have to run real quick. Like... Work on your swimming. Like, run to the end of the living room. He's gonna chase you. So be careful with the Christmas tree. Uh-oh.
He's got that demon look in his eyes.
He's got the taste of blood.
He really does. Watch out, Mom. Watch out. He's coming. Oh.
Piggy, get out of the way.
I didn't know he was right there.
Those are your boots, by the way.
It's okay. Bring it. Bring it. Come at me. Come at me.
Yeah, dart. You have to go through.
Bring it. Bring it.
You're getting tired.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, you think so, and then he darts.
He really does start with. He got me. He got me. He got me. Oh my god. Watch out, Mom. Stand clear. Oh, I thought you were there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bring it on, little man. Is he done? Truce? Truce? You game?